Welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio, and this is part 8 of my server room floor rebuild. I'll just let the video speak for itself. Alright, so as you can see, I have removed the 2 storage units and the second virtual server. As soon as my hand steadies and it focuses, there's the first Proxmox server from the Dell R710. It's still running because it's still controlling some stuff. It's probably going to be shut down this weekend. I'm going to shut down the PF Sense and switch it back over to the Verizon modem. I also have to hang this because of the wiring, because the wires are all punched into this. Got to take this out. Once I take these 2 servers out, the Proxmox and the PF Sense, they'll be stacked upstairs, and I will probably pull those UPSs out, set them aside, get the rack wherever I'm going to put it, and then put those in it. Just rest them in there without sliding them in, because I'm probably just going to leave the slides. But I got to figure out, because I had like a lot of this stuff, like the shelving and everything parked like all kinds of wonky and stuff, and I want to try to straighten that out come when I put everything back, so everything's nice and straight and it's not me just being stupid. So yeah, so probably this weekend or Monday of next week, because I have to go over my in-laws and I have to install something on their toilet. It's not a seat, it's some device that they decided to purchase. But yeah, I will be leaving the world of Unified behind and going back to crappy Verizon crap. So this is for part 8, and there will be more. Okay, as you can see, I just finished taking just about everything out, short of the shelf, the rails, that switch. I've got everything hanging from the ceiling. Luckily the cable modem cord is long enough to meet the plug. If this was any lower, it would have not worked at all. So I have everything disconnected. All I got to do is take these out of here, those out of here. The top one that doesn't have the faceplate, I can pretty much carry that, which is really weird because it has batteries in it, and I don't know why that one's lighter than the other 2. And the weird thing is they all use the same battery. At least that's what the refurb UPS says when I looked up these models, which scares me. But anyways, yeah, all I got to do is just take the rack off. Oh, and I found one of my figures, which I have no idea how, but it was actually underneath the UPS. I have no idea how that guy there got under there, but it did. And I now have everything squared away, although weird I didn't have those attached. I'll have to figure that one out. But anyways, yeah, so pretty much starting either Friday or Saturday, I'm going to start ripping the floor, and be prepared for not rebuilding of my server room floor. It's going to be called, "What the F is this?" Because I like I said, just from this here, I can only imagine what is under all of this. So this is the last of rebuilding my server room floor. The next installment of this is going to be, what the hell? Actually, this is probably better. What the hell is this? So I hope you guys stay tuned, and yeah. Okay, and as you can see, the server rack is gone. The carpet is up in both the closet and what was underneath the server rack. And I also discovered something today that I don't know how well it translates. But like this whole floor is just like all these joists for the floor is not even tight, and not only that, but again, here, let me grab a light from over here. Okay, these things are not even like solid. Like that's just a short piece that long. And then this one they have that way. It's like there's no standard for any of this. So yeah, the next video is going to be, the next few videos are going to be, what the fuck am I going to find? So, okay, that's all for now. Okay, and as you can see, the next phase now is actually starting to rip the floor up, besides what I already did initially. You'll see a lot more of it, and a whole lot of new surprises that I have a feeling are going to be showing up. So, as I always say, have a good day.